In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam PS5 controller showing Xbox buttons. If you are using a DualSense controller and seeing Xbox style A, B, XY prompts in your games. This usually happens because Steam's controller system is translating your inputs. The quickest and most reliable fix is to turn off Steam input for the specific game you are playing, so the game can detect your controller natively and show PlayStation button prompts. Start by opening Steam and heading to your library. Find the game that's showing the wrong buttons, right-click it, and choose Properties. In the window that opens, look to the left and select the Controller tab. You'll see a drop-down labeled Override for this game. Open that menu and choose Disable Steam Input. This tells Steam to stop remapping your DualSense for that title, which is what often causes Xbox-style icons to appear. Once you've changed the override, close the window and restart the game. A full restart is important. Many games only detect controller type at launch, so you won't see the button prompt switch until you relaunch. If you ever want to revert, you can come back to the same drop-down and switch it back to use default settings. If you are still not seeing the PlayStation icons after that, there are a couple of simple alternatives you can try. First, use a wired connection. Plug your DualSense into your PC with a USB-C cable that supports data, not just charging. With a direct USB connection, many games can identify the controller as a PlayStation device more reliably, while Bluetooth can sometimes default to an Xbox-style layout. After plugging in, restart the game again so it can redetect the controller. Another option is to check the game's own settings. Some titles include an in-game toggle to choose the UI icon style independent of your controller type. Look in the Options or Settings menu, often under Gameplay, Interface, or Controls. For something like controller icons, button prompts, or controller type, set it to PlayStation or DualSense if available, then apply and restart the game if prompted. A quick note, not every game includes native PlayStation prompts, especially older titles. In those cases, disabling Steam input and using a wired connection gives you the best chance. But the game may still only provide Xbox icons. If that happens, your controller will still work correctly. Only the on-screen labels differ. That's it. Thanks for watching.